A very good morning, students. I'm teacher Vaishni here. You both may introduce yourself.
Hi teacher, my name is Shoban. I am standard 3. I'm from Sekolah Kebangsaan St. Joseph and here is my neighbor.
Hi teacher, my name is Kabilan. My age is standard 3. I am from Sekolah Kebangsaan SKST Joseph.
Okay. Thank you, Shoban and Kabilan. Okay. Today, do you all remember what I have told you to prepare before starting today's lesson? What have I told you to prepare?
Uh, a bowl of fruit salad.
Okay, yes, I received both of your fruit salad pictures, and later we will go on the presentation of your fruit salad. Okay,
Sure
so
teacher.
have you all know what are the topic we're gonna study today?
It's about fruits, fresh fruit.
Okay, so moving on. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you about the topic fresh fruits from the syllabus of year 3 and the theme from the world of knowledge. And our lesson today will be fully focused on listening skills. Okay.
Okay teacher.
Okay, you may watch this video now. Okay, have you all watched the video?
Yes teacher.
Okay, so hold on. Okay, now ask you a few riddles. Okay, so what are the fruits that has a red and green color? What is the fruit?
Uh, apple.
Okay, yes, correct. Okay, then okay, I will represent the fruit. Okay, I am long, I am yellow in color, and I am white inside. What is that?
Banana.
Okay, correct. Okay, then I am hairy, I am red in the outside, and my flesh is juicy.
Rambutan.
Yes, correct. Okay, then okay, I am brown outside and white inside. I contain water and people use me to cook curries.
Uh, is it kiwi?
No, brown color outside, inside is white color.
Or coconut?
Yes, correct. Okay, coconut. Okay, so some more, what can I ask? Okay, okay, I have thorns surrounding me. I am green in the outside and inside I am yellowish. What am I?
Durian.
Okay,
Durian.
yes, correct. Durian. Okay. So now I'm here to ask a few questions. Okay. Students, have you watched the video clearly just now?
Yes.
Okay. So what can you observe from the video? What did you see from the video?
The food have a different of color and their texture are different.
Okay, their texture are different. There are many types of fruit you saw in that video, right? Okay, Kabilan, what are the fruits just now you remembered watching in the video?
Apple.
Okay,
Banana.
okay. What more you watch in the video just now?
Kiwi.
Kiwi, okay,
Durian.
okay,
Banana.
okay. Banana you repeat already. Okay. So following to the next question, why we must eat healthy fruits?
To make sure we don't fall in sick frequently.
Okay. Kabilan, why you eat fruits every day?
Uh,
we will always be healthy and we don't need to visit the doctor.
Okay, yes, correct. Okay, what will happen if you practice eating fruits every day?
Uh, we can have the habits.
Okay, we can practice the habit if, okay, so now if let's say we eat fruits every day, we don't need to visit the doctors and we won't frequently have health problems. So we will be always healthy and we don't we will have the appetite to always consuming fruits every day. So now fruits are really a source of many essential nutrients that consumes many good things. Okay, in fruits there are many types of healthy nutrients in it. So one of the benefits of people consuming fruits are eating fruits a lot can make a person to lose weight. Yes, right? So in your house
Yeah.
maybe there are few person eating fruits so that they will think, okay, one day I can be thin eating so much of fruits because fruits makes us to be slim and all. So then okay, do you think if eating a lot fruits will make us fall sick? Shoban or
No.
Kabilan? Okay, no.
Mm.
Okay. Eating fruits can make our strong, can bring us strong bones and teeth also, and then better mood and energy levels. When you eating fruits, I'm sure you won't be angry or moody, right? Whenever you
Yeah.
feel happy, sure you will find something cold, something juicy, like ice creams, like fruits. If let's say if you are in a hot day, in a hot weather, sure if you go any market side, you will find fruits first if there is no ice creams. So eating like drinking like fresh fruit smoothies or eating fruits and also eating fruit salads are all common in now this pandemic period. So now moving on. Okay. So are you ready to watch another interesting video?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you all understand what I've explained before this about fruits? Okay.
Yes.
Get ready.
Oh, yes!
Okay. Have you all watched the video?
Yes.
Okay. How many types of fruit salad did they prepare in it?
3.
Okay, correct. Three. So, what are the fruits they use throughout all the three salads? What?
Pineapples,
Okay.
apple,
What you remember watching in the video? Just tell all the fruits.
raspberry,
Blackberries, blueberries, apple, mm,
kiwis,
Kiwis. Okay.
and
What is the one more thing that ends with dew behind it?
can I beg your pardon, teacher?
Okay. DEW. What is the fruit that end with DEW in the behind? Dew. Starts with alphabet H. In the
Honeydew.
front. Yes, correct. Honeydew. So back is ending with dew. So it's honeydew. Okay. So then what are the side ingredients they use to add on?
Lime juice and
maple syrup.
Yes, correct. Maple syrup. Okay. So in this whole era, in this whole world, there really is no reason to limit the amount of fruit you eat. Okay, so eating how much of fruits also doesn't bring you any harm, doesn't bring you any harmness. It only gives you benefit. Because if let's say eating papaya, okay, eating papaya helps you in what? Makes you
Uh,
good digestion, won't help you to experience constipation. If you eat papaya, there won't be constipation for you. And papaya also they use for one of the disease, which is dengue. Papaya leaves are used to blend, and the juice is used to treat the dengue patients. And also grapes are also very good, but then should not eat too much because it may cause flu for the one who having sinus. So, and moreover, durians not all love because of the smells. So both of you, do you love durians?
yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What are the fruits usually you both don't really like? Which fruits you both don't like?
Kiwis.
Or Kabilan don't like kiwi. Okay. Shoban,
Raspberries.
you don't like raspberry. Okay. How about, do you like mangosteen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you like okay, so wait okay, do you like watermelon?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So moving on to the next one. Okay, wait. Okay, next I'm gonna play an audio for you to listen really carefully on what they are explaining on the video. Now I've showed you 3 fruit salads right just now. So
Yes.
why I told you to prepare fruit salad before starting this lesson is because today the listening audio is going to be on how to prepare a fruit salad, and all the ingredients are in the fruit salad. Okay, I mean in the fruit salad audio, what the ingredients they use to prepare the fruit salad. So the audio will be played after this slide. So I need you to listen really carefully, and later there will be questions to ask on. Okay. Okay.
A healthy fruit salad recipe. The ingredients of preparing the fruit salad: 2 cups of diced fresh pineapple, 1 cup of strawberries, half a cup of blackberries, 4 ripe kiwis, peeled, halved and sliced, 1 cup of lime yogurt, 1 cup of fruit salad dressing, half a cup of honey. The directions: combine the pineapple, strawberries, blackberries and kiwis in a large bowl. Stir the fruits with the yogurt dressing, fruit salad dressing and honey. You are ready to serve and enjoy your fruity day.
Okay, so students, do you want to listen again? Because I need you both to write down on the next exercise. I need you both to write down the ingredients and also the steps of preparing the salad. Do you want to listen once again?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
The healthy fruit salad recipe.
You can
The
write down.
ingredients of preparing the fruit salad: 2 cups of diced fresh pineapple, 1 cup of strawberries, half a cup of blackberries, 4 ripe kiwis, peeled, halved and sliced, 1 cup of lime yogurt, 1 cup of fruit salad dressing, half a cup of honey. The directions: combine the pineapple, strawberries, blackberries and kiwis in a large bowl. Stir the fruits with the yogurt dressing, fruit salad dressing and honey. You are ready to serve and enjoy your fruity day.
Okay, I'll give you all now. The time is 8:06 a.m. So I will wait you all till 8:16. I'll give you all 10 minutes. You can write. I'll come. I'll play the audio if you all need to hear it again. You just request me. I'll play it. Okay.
Okay.
Write what you listen, and if even though it's not all, you cannot jot down what all you heard just now. You couldn't catch up everything. You can just write at least what are the ingredients that still remains in your head. Okay. Okay. You can start writing now.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. You both write ready.
Yes.
Okay. Now keep your pen down. Okay. Just look at me. Okay. Answer what I'm asking. Okay. So what are the first ingredient that they put in the fruit salad?
2 cups of dessert fresh pineapples.
Okay. 2 cups of diced. Okay. Diced.
Diced.
Okay. Diced. Diced means what? What you can understand by diced? They cut. Okay. Diced is another word of replacing cut. Okay. So in a better English, they will say, okay, I'm dicing the onions. I'm dicing the apples, like that. Okay. So I'm cutting the apples, or you can say I'm dicing the apples. Okay. So 1 cup of diced pineapples, right? Okay. So then for any other ingredients that you managed to hear in the audio just now.
1 cup of strawberries.
Okay, 1 cup of strawberries, and then more.
1.5 cup of blackberries.
Okay, Shoban, you show me your paper. Okay, bring it near. Okay, okay, thank you. Kabilan, do you have jotted down anything?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so that is what you got from the audio. Okay, now, okay, remember what you heard, and okay, you have done writing it down, and then okay, wait, let me okay. Now, okay, after you writing it down, what do you think that why okay, is preparing a healthy fruit salad good?
Yes.
Good, yes, okay. So okay, I'll ask you a few questions, okay, maybe which fruit contains vitamin C?
Bananas.
No.
Apple.
No.
Watermelon.
No, okay, vitamin C. Okay, I give you an example. The fruit ends with alphabet E.
But
Starts with O.
Orange.
Yes, correct. Orange. Okay. So vitamin C, okay, in the oranges, vitamin C is important for growth and repair all our body tissues. Okay, let's say now if you had a injured you injured yourself by maybe falling down, or maybe your hand hit somewhere, and then doctor will say you need to consume vitamin C. Yes or not? Doctor will
yes.
say you need to consume vitamin C so that it will make you be more active after this, and it will repair all your tissues. So vitamin C are really good for repairing all your tissues. Okay, and it's also help to heal cuts and wounds. If let's say now you bang somewhere, you'll have the scratch on your hands, and also your head. If let's say you hit somewhere, the scratch will be here. So vitamin C also helps to heal all the scratches on your hands, on your face, on your legs. Okay, and then vitamin C also keeps your gums. You know, your gums inside above your teeth is your gums. So your gums will be more stronger if you consume vitamin C. Okay, so and then fruits actually contains more folic acid. Okay, I don't know you all got heard before or not, but then folic acid is like, it helps us to repair our red blood cell. You all got study about red blood cell, right? Yes.
Yes.
So vitamin C repairs all the red blood cells. So maybe okay, your mother, okay, when all the pregnant mothers are really advised to take vitamin C because they are carrying a baby inside them, right? So they need to be strong, both the mother and the baby. So fruits really give advantages to everyone, even though the old people, the young people, and also the moderate one. I mean like teenagers and schooling children. Okay, so everyone can consume fruits. Even babies now in this era all are blending the fruits and giving the babies, right? Some people will blend the fruits and mix it with the rice, or mix it with any maybe their milk solution, their milk powder, and they will blend and they will give for their babies. So fruits really give many advantages for everyone. Okay, so now moving to the okay, wait, okay, now from here. Okay, Shoban, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you can see 6 types of fruits there, right? Okay, which
Yes.
fruits do you think you like to choose? If I were told you to do an activity after this, which choose will you choose?
Uh,
Which fruit would you choose?
Grapes.
Okay, grapes. Kabilan?
Orange.
Okay, orange. Okay, now, okay, I want you to, okay, Shoban, you choose grapes, right? Can you describe about grapes to me? The texture, the
Green.
skin color, how it tastes. Describe. Kabilan, you get ready with describing orange, okay? Shoban, you
Okay.
explain first.
It color got purple or also got green.
Okay,
It is really sweet.
okay, sweet.
The green ones is a little bit sour.
Okay, how it comes? In branches, or how it comes? It grows in a tree, right? So you can describe many ways. It grows in a tree, and also how it comes through branches. You can describe.
Yes, it comes by branches.
Okay. Then more. What do you know more? What grapes? What can we do with grapes? What usually they do? Got grapes ice cream. Got grape smoothies.
Yes, got grape smoothies.
Okay. So do you like to drink grape smoothies?
Yes.
Okay. So Kabilan, now you can describe about orange.
The skin is orange.
Okay.
It stays sour.
Okay, sour.
Mm,
Some
We
more.
can we can do or we can do orange juice.
Okay,
Ice
correct.
cream.
Okay. Does orange contains seed inside it?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Okay. Then orange. How many types of orange are there? One is the orange and one more is what? During Chinese New Year, what orange that we call that?
mm,
We call that Mandarin orange. Okay, Mandarin orange. Where you can we can just peel the orange. We don't need to cut. You know, right? The difference between the cutting orange and the peeling one.
yeah,
Some of the orange they are seedless. They have non-seedless one, and also some orange really have the seeds. Okay, so in these fruits we can prepare many things. We can do juice. We can do juice. We can do fruit salad. We can do ice cream. Okay, we can do milkshake also. Grape milkshake, orange milkshake, right? Okay, so okay, what do you think by, okay, is eating fruit ice creams good? What do you think in your opinion? Maybe you can say no teacher because it's cold so I won't eat cold fruit ice cream. What is your opinion? I will only eat warm fruits. I won't make it cold. So you can tell me what do you think? Any of you can answer. No, okay. I wanna ask you. So do you prefer eating fruits in a cold way or in a warm way? You want it
Warm
warm way, okay. Why? Why you wanna avoid cold fruits? I mean like fruits ice cream. Why you wanna avoid?
because we can avoid disease.
Okay, avoid this. Avoid of getting
Because
flu, getting fever, right?
uh,
Mm.
cold can cause sick.
Okay, good. Cold can cause sick. And also, okay, so I will give randomly now. Okay, strawberry. What color is strawberry?
Red. Red.
Okay, does strawberry contain seed?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Where can we get strawberries the most? A lot.
Cameron Highland.
Correct. Yes, correct. Cameron Highlands. Okay. Then okay. Does how many colors are there in bananas?
One.
No, think carefully. Got one or two?
Got two.
Okay. Some countries they even have three. Maybe in Malaysia also you can find some other place, but not every place. They have also the
Some
reddish
got
one.
green.
Yeah, green, yellow, and also got the reddish one. Usually the green they use to fry snacks. You know, right? Fry snacks, the green one.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then okay, moving to the presentation of your fruit salad. Okay, on the fruit salad I told you all to prepare. So I need you both to explain on how you did the fruit salad and what are the ingredients you use and how did it taste after you make it. You share with who? You share with your mother, you share with your father, with your brother, your sister and all. I need you to share. And maybe you post it in, you give it to your neighbor, you give it to your friend. Maybe if you have any social media accounts, you posted it in. So I need you to talk, okay? You can talk even though you feel shy or what, you just talk, okay? Okay, so who gonna start first?
Ami.
Okay, Shobhan, you may start first.
Okay, I prepared the fruit salad with using strawberries, green grapes, bananas, and the purple grapes.
Okay, the purple grapes, okay. So you can tell how what did you put? What did you add in?
Lime juice.
Okay, you add the lime juice. Okay, and then with who you shared? You just tell what questions I add just now. You just present. I shared
I
it with my
share with my
mother.
brother.
Okay, you share it with your brother. So what did your brother told about your fruit salad?
The fruit salad was very tasty.
Okay, it was very tasty. Um, did you ask your brother what benefits did he get by eating the fruits?
Yes,
Okay, what did he answer?
I feel now because that day he was sick.
Okay,
I give him after 2 days, then he already turned back to normal.
okay, he feel better a bit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then did you give it to your neighbor or anyone?
Yes.
Okay, next, Kabilan, present on your fruit salad.
I make my fruit salad with using the
Green apples
green apple and the green apple and blueberries
and cherries
and orange.
and cherries.
Ah,
And cherries. Okay. So did you share it with your brothers and sisters?
yes,
Yes. Okay. So did you like your own fruit salad?
yes.
Okay, what salad dressing did you put? You use the fruit one or you use the other one?
Maple syrup.
Oh, you add maple syrup. Okay, good. You add maple syrup in the fruit salad. Okay, good. So okay, Kabilan, which is yours, the right or the left one?
The right one.
Okay, the right one. Good. Shoban?
My one is left.
Okay, good. Okay, then okay, presented. And now okay, to the final ending of our lesson. Okay. What is the importance of eating fruits? We are coming to the closure, so I need you all to explain on what did you learn? Did you grab on what did I taught you all today after listening to the audio on how to prepare and all? Okay, so what is the importance of eating fruits?
To make us strong and healthy,
Okay, correct. Okay, why we must consume healthy fruits?
To avoid health problems.
Okay, and then okay, now just now you both of you presented on your fruit salad. So how did you plan your healthy fruit salad?
Writing it into a paper.
Okay, writing it into a paper, like how? Like writing what fruits should you choose?
Yes, and side dishes.
Okay, and the side dishes. Okay,
In
it
the
calls a side ingredients, not side dishes. Okay, side ingredients. Okay, okay. Why we must plan our ingredients before preparing the fruit salad?
to save more time.
to make it very delicious,
Okay, to make it more delicious. Okay, why we saying to planning is always good in saving time?
Because so we can make it so we can done the job it perfect.
Perfectly. Okay, can done the job perfectly. Okay, and then you don't need to waste more time if you plan earlier, right? You don't need to like think. Okay, you don't need to rush and prepare if you already plan earlier what you're gonna do, right? Okay, so as a part of an overall healthy diet, eating foods such as fruits that are lowest in calories, instead of having higher calorie food such as burgers, all the fast foods, instead of having that types of food, you may consume fruits in your daily life. Okay, so there is no limit of having fruits, because having uh, plenty types of fruits doesn't brings you any harm. Okay, doesn't brings you any bad effects or nothing. Fruits only give you benefits. There are many advantages of eating fruits, and I hope both of you understand on what did I taught today. Okay,
Yes.
eating a diet rich in fruits, and also the important one also vegetables also, but now I'm pressing on fruits. It may protect you from getting several types of diseases. Okay, adding fruits can help increase the fiber intake and potassium, which is important, and which helps you in your growth in your daily life. Okay, so eating fruits is always important. Okay, so did you all understand on what did I taught today?
Yes.
Okay, for the final touch, can anyone of you can anyone of you remember what the audio I played just now? In what the audio I played just now? Okay, okay, Shoban, can you tell me the step of
This
preparing the fruit salad?
uh,
What did you wrote just
combine
now?
yes combine pineapple, strawberries, blackberries, and kiwi in a large bowl. Stir the fruits with the yogurt dressing, fruit salad dressing, and honey.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Okay, Kabilan, did you think okay, now do you think that you need to eat fruits every day?
yes,
Okay, will you eat fruits every day after this? Will you advise your mother and your father to eat fruits after this?
yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so that's all for our today's lesson, and I really hope both of you understand on what are the topic we learned today on fresh fruits. In the next class, I might ask what are the topic that we learned today, and also the benefits. I want you all to share to all your friends that what are the benefits of eating fruits and how we prepare a simple fruit salad. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.